Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch to new Facebook page design. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook. So once you open Facebook, you simply need to select your page. So I'm going to select my page. Here you need to click on three dots. And in the bottom you will find an option of try new page experience, but if you are not seeing this option because I already switched, let me show you another method. So I'm going to select this page. So once you are on your page, you simply need to click on switch to professional, switch into your Canada page to take more actions. So you simply need to click on switch. Once you click on switch, you can get the new page experience as well. So this is a process by which you can switch to new Facebook page design. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.